Hey there, creative souls! Today we're diving into the wonderful world of DIY, and I'm going to show you how to make your own paint using just a few simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. Let's get started! Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, and some food coloring to add that splash of color. First things first, let's grab our ingredients. Measure out 1 cup of salt. That's right. Salt helps to preserve our paint. Next, 1 cup of flour, which gives it that thick texture. Now for the fun part, 1 cup of water. This makes everything come together. Now toss everything into a mixing bowl. It's like making a delicious potion. But instead of magic, we're creating art here. Give it a good stir. You want all those ingredients to blend nicely. If the mixture seems a bit thick, you can add a touch more water. It's all about finding that perfect consistency. Now for the best part, let's add some color. You can choose your favorite shades or mix them to create new ones. Just a few drops will do. Look at that transformation. Once you have your colors ready, pour them into small containers or ice cube trays for easy storage. How cute are these? And there you have it, your very own DIY paint. Perfect for crafts, school projects, or just a fun afternoon at home. Let's see how it looks on paper. Grab your brushes and let your imagination run wild. Look at those vibrant colors. This is going to be so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this simple DIY project. Remember, creativity has no limits. If you try this at home, don't forget to share your masterpiece. Like, subscribe and hit that bell for more fun projects. Until next time, keep creating.